the first AI video editor in the entire world, where you literally type a prompt in this box and then send it and it will edit your video. That includes background music, sound effects, zooms, hyperframes and remotion effects which overlay the video. It includes subtitles behind the main character, and if you type, let's say, add a nice remotion effect at 20 seconds, then it literally thinks about what you've said and then it actually just takes action, which is absolutely fantastic. So it uses skills like I don't know if you've heard of Claude Code, but you don't have to worry about that. It's all built into this app. So it's editing now and it's going to create the effect. So it's cued what you want and it just puts it here. You can't really see it because of this, but it's about to create a B-roll render. And so it's fantastic because if you click one-click Pro Edit, it literally does everything for you. Sound effects, zooms, background music and everything. This is the first AI editor of its kind and it's fantastic. It even publishes to your channels once it's finished actually creating the video. So all you need to do is record yourself now. You can be lazy. You can literally be lazy with this software. You can be lazy because it's going to take your video, edit it for you and then publish it to all your channels. And if you look at the website over here, you'll see how simple it is. You just literally, what you do is you drop a video into a folder. You don't have to drop it. You can literally just add it to the timeline. It adds sound effects, background music, zooms, subtitles in front or behind, and one-click Pro AI Edit. And then it publishes to all your channels. Now, if you've heard of Opus Clip and you use it perhaps, the reason why this is better is because it actually can do effects overlaying the video and giving it a more high quality edit. Like instead of paying $100 to $300, you can literally use these effects to make your videos look better. You can prompt your effects into existence, overlaying the video. Also, it tracks the user so it knows where to zoom on the subject, and it can create shorts from longs like you would do with other apps like Opus Clip. And that's it. You literally, once it's ready, you publish to all your channels. Now, the amazing thing about this is you can literally organize your different channels. So say you have business channels, music channels, so then you can literally organize different automations with it. Like it actually has an automation function where you can literally automate the entire process. Now this is a bit complicated, but let me just show you quickly. See, I have a business automation where it publishes to 14 channels. I have a Suno music video automation. It creates literally a music video. And if I go into one of these, actually the one being used right now, you can see what happens. You can automate by dropping into a folder. You just kind of choose a different folder. Right now, I have this folder, which is, by the way, linked to my Google Drive so that I can literally upload to Google Drive and then it literally catches it on my computer. And then that's it. It will literally start running. And what does it run? You choose where it will publish to if you drop into this folder. So I'm going to obviously choose all of my business folders, which you can see over here. And yes, I am the creator of the software. As you can see, the YouTube channel and the TikTok channel, you can see they are all linked here. So you can see I obviously created this software. Took me about a year of vibe coding to create this, so you can try it also. To create this yourself, take you a year, or you can just use it to get more marketing for your current app that you've created. And here we go, this is the custom edit. Now, I actually wrote this prompt by hand. You can see the spelling mistakes, but using this prompt, I literally get the most perfect edit that I could ever imagine. I actually asked it in the first 5 seconds of the video to create a black screen and a search bar with a typing sound effect to hook the viewer. And this video you're watching right now probably had that, which is actually quite funny. Let me show you that effect right at the beginning. Check this out. AI vibe-coded apps will not sell if they take less than 6 months to build. Let me explain. So did you see that? That was just an example. That's just part of the prompt. You can see the full prompt here. Save this video if you ever get this software, and type software in the comment section if you want me to send this to you. But this is my default prompt. If you use this prompt, by the way, it will make an amazing video which will really hook viewers in. And you can see it just takes care of it. And this is my second request, which I requested actually in front of you. Absolutely insane. Now, after I record this video, I'm literally gonna, oh, excuse my baby's crying, but I'm gonna upload it to my Google Drive folder, and then it's gonna literally start automating it.